Get ready for a flavor-packed journey south of the border in our video, Tantalizing Tacos, a Mexican culinary fiesta. Join us as we explore the colorful streets of Mexico and dive into the art of crafting one of the world's most beloved and versatile dishes, tacos. Our adventure begins in the bustling markets of Mexico City, where the enticing aroma of sizzling meats and fresh tortillas fills the air. Immerse yourself in the heart and soul of Mexican cuisine as we uncover the secrets of making the perfect taco. As we delve into the culinary marvel behind tacos, you'll witness the expertise of local street vendors and taqueros at work. Juicy meats, grilled to perfection, are tucked into soft corn tortillas and adorned with an array of vibrant salsas, fresh herbs, and zesty lime. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that dance on your taste buds. But tacos are more than just a meal. They are a reflection of Mexico's rich cultural diversity. We'll take you on a sensory journey through Mexico's diverse regions, from the coastal towns where seafood tacos reign supreme to the mountainous regions where earthy barbacoa tacos are a tradition. Discover the significance of tacos in Mexican culture, where they're not just a dish but a way of life. It's food that brings people together, fostering a sense of community, celebration, and family gatherings. Tantalizing Tacos is not just a video, it's a tribute to the culinary traditions and warm hospitality of Mexico. Join us as we savor every moment of this culinary fiesta through tacos and experience the artistry and fiesta spirit that have made this dish a global sensation. Prepare to be inspired, educated, and transported to the vibrant streets of Mexico by the captivating stories and mouth-watering flavors that await you in Tantalizing Tacos, a Mexican culinary fiesta.